Hello comrades, and today we will be opening a Soviet hat that I got a while back. But yeah, it's already slightly opened, I guess. But yeah, I got it a while back. So yeah, don't really have much else for it. Just got it a while back because it was not too expensive and it looks nice, so I got it. Ah yes, hat. Not totally sure what it is, like what type of hat it is, but I know it's a hat. Very nice looking hat. Yes. I like it. Very nice looking. Size 57, so it should snugly fit on my head. Yee. I do like it much. Very. It is nice. But yes, it is a very nice hat, and I like it. It has this badge on it, and I don't know what it totally means. But yeah, it's a nice old hat, and it looks nice. So yeah, that is all for today, comrades. Well, I'll see you next time when I open up something. Bye.